Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to download a YouTube video on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to download a YouTube video on your phone, first open up the YouTube app itself. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, go to a video which you want to download on YouTube, and then download button will be available over here just beside the save. So let's scroll it, guys, and you can see, guys, just below the subscribe button where we had just slided these options. At the end of it, there is the download button available for us. Now in order to download our video or a video on YouTube, simply tap on that download button, and you can see there are the preferences on which you want to download the video given by YouTube. And after choosing your preferences, you can see there is the download button available for you. Tap on download and that video will be downloaded on YouTube. And guys, this is how you download a YouTube video on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.